Hi, this is Connie. Vince is going to show how to customize a favorite homemade comfort food to your own taste, and without a lot of fuss. You'll find that it's a lot easier than you would think. It's custom classic chili.
And hi, this is Vince. Welcome to our channel, A Quick Recipe. We're going to start with some of the customized ingredients, a green poblano pepper. We're going to do a coarse chop of a medium-sized one. Poblano peppers give a smokiness to the chili, and are similar to bell peppers, but with a little more bite. Now the second option is one medium-sized red bell pepper, which we're cutting the same way. The difference is that the red bell pepper is the sweetest, more mature of the same variety of pepper. You've heard it a million times before. To keep from fumbling around while cooking and possibly ruining your recipe, do your prep work first, and pre-measure your ingredients before you start. To start the actual cooking, add enough extra virgin olive oil to cover the bottom of a low-medium preheated large pan. Once the oil is up to temp, add one medium yellow or sweet onion that has been coarsely chopped. Continue to stir the onion occasionally, until it's tender, and starting to turn translucent. Then add the peppers. Continue to stir the pan, making sure the peppers are cooked to tender. When the peppers are tender, add 1 pound of 90% lean ground beef. Then use a wooden spoon to break up the ground beef. We don't want the metallic taste to transfer from a metal spoon. Let the beef lightly brown, making sure to stir occasionally, so that the beef browns evenly.
Want to see our next new recipe? Click the subscribe button.
And also please give us a like. It generates revenue to support the channel. Now we're going to add seasonings to the pan, starting with 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We prefer brown sugar, but you can use cane sugar. And 6 ounces of tomato paste. Because a few of our gang don't like it, we're eliminating the normal 1.5 tablespoons of ground cumin. By the way, this recipe will feed 4 to 6 adults. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. About 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, or more or less to your own taste. Some coarse black pepper, about 2 teaspoons. And a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Be sure to mix in all of these ingredients, so that everything gets thoroughly coated with all of these fantastic flavors. We're using 1.5 cups of beef stock or broth instead of water, because it adds richness and depth to the recipe's flavor. And 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon for more beefy depth. Then stir everything well under low-medium heat, making sure that none of the ingredients stick to the bottom, and that everything blends completely. Now the final 2 ingredients. First 28 ounces of diced tomatoes. And 16 ounces of red kidney beans that have been drained and rinsed. Let the pan simmer uncovered for 25 minutes at low-medium heat, and periodically stirring it so that everything cooks evenly.
Here's the list of ingredients for our custom classic chili. First, 1 medium yellow or sweet onion chopped, then 1 medium poblano pepper, and 1 medium red bell pepper chopped, 1 pound of 90% lean ground beef, 3 tablespoons chili powder, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 6 ounces tomato paste, 1.5 tablespoons ground cumin, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons kosher salt, 2 teaspoons coarse black pepper, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1.5 cups of beef stock or broth, a tablespoon of beef bouillon, 28 ounces of diced tomatoes, 16 ounces of red kidney beans, drained and washed, extra virgin olive oil, 1 pound of your favorite macaroni, or 1 cup of long-grain white rice, as a base for the chili.
If you want the hard copy of these ingredients with directions, the link to download it is in the Show More section.
We're serving our custom chili finished off with Mexican creme, and a blend of soft cheeses like cheddar, Monterey, mozzarella and pepper jack. And with a base of elbow macaroni.
That's really something special, if you love homemade comfort food.
Bon appetit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquick-recipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.